Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how to create human portrait on crayon. Welcome to the world of artistic possibilities with Crayon's AI art generator. Let's explore the creation of captivating human portraits. Step 1. Open the Crayon AI art generator, your gateway to unleash your creative imagination. Step 2. Type out your vision for the human portrait you have in mind. For instance, Victorian era portrait of an old woman wearing a hat. Photorealistic. Step 3. The enhancement unfolds. Click on Draw and witness Crayon's AI bring your concept to life. Behold the result, a unique, mesmerizing artwork that brings your idea to reality. Remember, you can craft human portraits from any era or even depict famous individuals. The choice is entirely yours. Immerse yourself in the artistry with Crayon today. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.